welcome back to Slimful Treats. A while back ago, I did an episode on cauliflower fried rice, but my mother brought up a good point. I assumed you all know how to make cauliflower rice, or you're using bagged rice. Personally, I like fresh cauliflower rice. It took me over a year to figure out exactly how to make it perfect for the cauliflower fried rice, but that's another episode entirely. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually take fresh cauliflower florets and rice them out to show you how it's done. Now I just have my food processor. I have the blade inside the food processor. And I just put some cauliflower in there. They're just large florets. You don't really have to worry about it. Now I buy cauliflower while it's on sale because cauliflower can get very expensive. So when it's on sale, I will buy 2-3 heads and I'll rice it out. After that, I measure it. I put it in a Ziploc baggie, squeeze the air out, and then I label it with the date and how many cups are in it and put it in the refrigerator. Now, just walk in your food processor and you want to pulse it. Now it takes a little time. I have some already made in a bowl over here, and now I'm just kind of putting the rest in it. Now, cauliflower rice. The reason I rice all my cauliflower is you can make anything with it. Unless your recipe calls for whole cauliflower florets, pretty much everything can be made from cauliflower rice. Your mashed potatoes are made from riced cauliflower. Breads are made from riced cauliflower. Almost everything. So go ahead and just rice up all your cauliflower when you buy it on sale, and then it freezes very well. And here you go. It is perfectly riced out cauliflower. That's about the texture you want. And just get it all out of there. I'm just kind of getting it out from around the blade so I don't spill it all. Take out the blade. And there is your cauliflower rice. Ready to go. Just going to put it into a baggie and I'll label it with today's date. And I will put it in the freezer and I'll use it when I need it. As I said, go ahead and buy a bunch of cauliflower when it's on sale. Put it in the freezer. Trust me, it'll save you a lot more later. And when you're doing that last minute thing where you don't really know what you want for supper, you've already got your cauliflower rice. This is Amy from Slimful Treats. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. And I would like you to subscribe and share. Also, you can get a hold of me at slimfultreats@gmail.com for any suggestions, or if you just simply want to see me make something or talk about something, I'm very open to that. Also, you can find me on Facebook, which is Amy Smith. You'll see my picture there. Thank you and have a great day.